Hi, my fellow Virgos. Welcome to Tarot Readings by Roxby. I am here going to do your love and general reading for the week of May 8th to the 14th, 2017. And let me say happy Mother's Day to all my Virgo moms. And those of you that are new to the channel, welcome. And thank you guys so very much for taking the time to subscribe. And the only other thing I want to mention, Virgo, is, and I'm sorry, but the week of the 15th to the 21st, there's not going to be any weeklies that week, the 15th to the 21st, because I'm going to be on vacation. But I am going to try to do the morning oracle cards for you guys, and definitely the following week, the 22nd to the 28th, there will be weeklies. So Virgo, I'm using Doreen Virtue and Bradley Valentine's Angel Tarot. So for those of you that are new, look at your moon, your rising signs, if the reading doesn't resonate. And those of you that would like a private reading with me, all of my contact info is always below the videos. Okay, so the overall energy, Virgo, is the Devil card, but don't panic. It's not always bad. It says at the bottom of the card, a false sense of entrapment, being overly focused on material things, negative or fear-based thoughts. So with the Devil card, it doesn't, it can represent, anything in excess, okay? So all things in moderation this week. You could find yourself, like eating, drinking too much, things like that, so just all things in moderation. The Devil could also represent, that feeling of, feeling restricted, bound, stuck within a situation. Some of you could just be feeling that way. The Devil could also represent, an unhealthy relationship, or needing to free yourself, from just simply what no longer serves you. Needing to maybe just, cut ties, with negative behavior, belief systems, belief patterns, just needing to maybe cut ties. But you know what, Virgo, the High Priestess, you have the High Priestess here. We have 3 major arcana cards and the Ace of Cups. I just realized this. Okay. The Devil card, its ego in this deck looks much different than in the other decks. You're contemplating, you're looking out to the future. We're thinking. Now, let me show you how I'm seeing these cards, okay? Now, the High Priestess and the Hermit, these 2 cards together, they're both, individually, they're both highly spiritual cards. But together, that's, really going inward, that inner reflection, contemplating, really taking the time to go within, search the depths of your soul. If not you, maybe, the Ace of Cups is here. It could be, a new relationship that you're thinking about. It could be a new home. It could be anything that would fulfill you on an emotional level. Okay? It could be a new job, a home. It could be whether or not, deciding whether or not you want to have a baby, falling in love, um, the reassurance of a relationship, spiritual growth, enhanced intuition. Some of you, would just be, again, the spiritual, that just could be feeling, very, highly spiritual this week. But if not you, Virgo, someone, maybe that you're involved with, whatever that Ace of Cups is for you, if it's relationship related, let's go there. If not you, someone else taking that time to, think about this Ace of Cups, because I do feel like there's a lot of passion here too. The Devil card also speaks of lust, passion. I know I have nothing to support that. I mean, the nine of, oh wow, the Ace of Wands is under that. So is the Queen of Wands. But aside from that, I mean, the Nine of Wands is under there. Maybe you could be dealing with a fire sign, Capricorn, Virgo, another, Virgo. But I feel like this is our energy. But that really just seeking that deeper meaning, that deeper understanding. And if that's the case, how I'm seeing it is, the Hermit's walking in with that big bright lantern right here, walking right into the reading with that clarity. For others of you, the High Priestess could, represent, again, just, being highly intuitive this week with the Ace of Cups. Could also represent, a very mysterious, secretive woman, just, being mysterious, secretive, not revealing everything, not expressing how you feel. Just being secretive. And the Hermit just is that inner reflection, that spiritual growth. With the Ace of Cups, that's a beautiful, blessed new beginning. I feel like too, like, for maybe a small number of you, that somebody could really, truly, like, really be in love with you, and they're just not revealing that yet, but that clarity could possibly be coming in. I feel like with the Ace of Cups here, the Hermit's walking right into the Ace of Cups. So, somebody wants this relationship. They're walking right into this Ace of Cups. I mean, again, it can, again, be anything emotionally satisfying, new beginnings that are going to fulfill you on an emotional level. It could be a new relationship. Let's see what the rest of the cards say. Okay, family harmony. All the cards are by Doreen Virtue except for the love portion. Okay, family harmony. Your relationships with your family members, they're healing. It's a card of healing. There is healing energy around whatever this is. for you. You know, it's a card of having patience. But you are beginning to feel a great sense of healing with this card. There's a lot of healing energy here. Spiritual growth healing, too. See what else I'm getting here. You know, with that card, too, you know what? You know, send blessings and love to this person that you're thinking about and contemplating about. That's why I couldn't remember about this card. I knew it was important. But if that's what that's, if it is relationship related with family harmony, you need to express that everything's okay. Messages from the fairies. Don't worry, it's all working out in a beautiful way. I mean, obviously, I mean, this is all about, you know, speaks of how concerned, you know, you are within a situation. You're very concerned. I mean, you're doing a lot of thinking, you know, right down to this card. You're contemplating. There's a lot of soul searching. I know this isn't our usual Virgo readings. But we are unburdening our heart in the middle of the week. You know, with that card too, it does speak about anxiety and feeling exhausted. I'm so sorry, Virgo. It's amazing how dry your voice gets from doing so many readings. It blows my mind. But that, you know, with this card too, to make sure that you are getting enough rest, eating right, you know, because physical strain and anxiety could, you know, lead to that exhaustion. But don't worry, because everything is working out the way, in a beautiful way, the way that it's supposed to. Follow your intuition. It's safe for you to follow your intuition. Accept heaven's help. You've prayed for help, so get out of the way and let heaven help you. I haven't seen this card in a while, Virgo. So, you know, you're asking yourself, you're contemplating. Again, what do I do now? What do I do next? Where do I go from here? You know what I mean. And how do I want to say this? Listen, your prayers have been heard. They're being answered. All we need to do is just rest and retreat. And literally just let it go. Let heaven just intervene. Let them help us with what we've prayed for. Loving words from Jesus. Wow. Pray always. I can't make this up. Luke 21:36. Love it. It's a beautiful card. Wow. I said this before about clarity. Whispers of Love, Angela Hartfield. Honesty is essential. To be a loving person, it is important that we speak truthfully and in a loving manner. I see the confusion. Still. Indecisiveness. I feel it. If not you, the other person. Listen, this love is here. Definitely is here. You know, speak honestly. Tell the truth about your emotions. Use this week and this card and this message that I'm giving you to clear the air and turn this situation into a positive one. And initiate contact. Whether it's regarding a home, a new job. I am doing this video on Friday evening and wow, is it almost 8 o'clock? Initiate contact. That will bring in the harmony. What do you got to lose? There is love there and there's passion there. I'm convinced of that. I mean, the Ace of Fire, Ace of Wands is under this. Or some of you maybe just could be dealing with a fire sign. The Queen of Wands is under that too. Oh, there it is. Beautiful. Passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. Wow. Calling in your soulmate, your prayers, affirmations, and visualizations help bring you together. Prayers, heaven. Beautiful. True love. This is a romance of a lifetime. Virgo. That's beautiful, really. These are not the cards I want. Let's see what the next card would have been. This is your soulmate. It's really not the deck that I wanted, but I don't know why I felt the need to do that. But, wow. Okay. Just a overall guidance card. Messages from your angels. That was really weird. I love it. It is safe for you to be powerful. You know how to be powerful in a loving way that benefits others as well as yourself. So you're gonna figure this out. You're gonna take back your power. Get out of this. I just feel like you're on such a, at the beginning of the week, just on such a that serious going within, inner reflection, like literally, like really just withdrawing. But maybe, waiting patiently too. Trusting your inner voice, definitely. But I think really with the Hermit there and just or that and the High Priestess, just the way the Hermit is, that you're eventually going to like just open up to the unknown. Just open up to this Ace of Cups. And it's safe, really, I just said this before, to reach out. It's safe for you to do that. Do that. Because that's what's going to open it all up. Definitely. All right, Virgo. Love it. All right, guys. Leave your comments. Let me know how it turns out for you. Your love lives look beautiful. And I definitely see, like, there's honesty and clarity. I do. I feel it too for us. Well, I don't really consider myself in these, but I feel it for you guys. The morning cards I consider myself, but not in the weeklies. I don't. But Virgo, somebody will let it in. Open up. Okay. All right, Virgo, have a beautiful, blessed week. I am going to, like I said, I will try to post the morning oracle cards as often as possible. But I will see you guys back here shortly. Take care. Bye-bye.